for that scene. Nice.
Such good dancing.
It's not even long enough. He needs it like continuous.
He stops. He stops.
This is minute 30.
Yeah, he stops.
Minute 36. It's the song. It's great. It's one. Shoe Fly is one of my favorite songs.
Oh!
Like, no, seriously, back to this.
The pizza's too hot?
I microwaved it
Oh,
for
okay.
20 seconds.
Is The Voice on tonight?
Yeah. Indeed.
You don't wave it like that.
That dress is so beautiful.
What you said, okay?
Oh, you think that's a flag? Is that what you just said?
Why don't you let John hold it? So we can feel what the magic wand is like. Ooh.
Oh,
Bippity boppity woo.
You want to dance with it?
Can you dance with that wand?
It'll make your dancing so much more flamboyant.
He's not. He's just using it for something.
Nice. Yes. It's a star. It's a magic wand.
Oh, Lord.
Bippity boppity boo. Bippity
Well,
boppity
Ann and
boo.
John Ahern are moving into Wellesley Green. One department.